Hello guys, this is Shata with another flight. This time I'm taking the 737-800 to Toncontine, which is the second dangerous airport in the world. You can go have a review on the airport, as you have to do a steep banking also with the steep descents to land at the airport at Toncontine. So here I've take the flight, the liveries Fly Dubai, which is a very nice livery. So like I've said in my last video, which was with the 747-400, I was going to do the 737 flight to Toncontine, and I'm here at Kingston, Jamaica, park at gate 1. All set for the flight. The service is within the aircraft, and we're gonna start preparing the flights to go there. Okay, so first thing, we're gonna check the weather like usual. Like here at Kingston, Jamaica, the temperature is 28, dew points 25, surface wind at a heading of 120, 13 knots, visibility 10 nautical mile, precipitation unreported, and the pressure is we are in the US, so we're gonna use inch, so it's 299.4. we got few clouds at 2,200 feet. Now we're gonna check the weather at Toncontine, which is Mike Hotel Tango Golf. Over there is a thunderstorm in the region, so temperature is 20, dew point is 18, surface wind is at a heading of 150, 6 knots, visibility 10 nautical miles, precipitation heavy rains, and the pressure is 3006. And we got winds, few clouds at 2,800 feet, and few also at 16,000 feet. Okay, so the weather, like I've said in my like I've said in my last flight, the weather is giving a little bit problem. It doesn't want to update with the servers. I don't know why, but I just put it also. I haven't done anything with it because I just want to do this flight here, finish with the 737 flight, and move to P3D. Now we're gonna go inside the flight deck. That's it for the weather. I'm gonna move it also. As you can see, we are in the cold and dark state. I'm gonna power up the aircraft all the way through. So first thing I'm gonna do is select the batteries to on, check that the standby power is gathered, alternate flap is gathered, hydraulic demand pump is off, wiper is on packs, which is off, landing gear is down 3 greens, and we're gonna set the parking brakes. Next, I'm gonna select the ground power. Also, I'm gonna put some light in the aircraft. And then I'm gonna do a Windows heat test. And then I'm gonna select the windows to on. Check the position strobe light, which is the nav light, and also with the strobe light. So it's on steady, that means the nav light is on, the strobe light is not on. Cancel the warning messages. Do a upper overhead test. Do a test on the flaps. Check the crew oxygen, which is good for the flight. Passengers oxygen is guarded. Do a overspeed test, a stall warning test. It's not working today, I don't know why. Now I'm gonna do also some tests on the oxygen mask and far. So the oxygen mask is working to a fire test. Now on extinguishers, do a check on the extinguisher, make sure the bottle is full. This is for the left right engine and this one is for the ABUs, so it's all good. Now checking the oil quantity, we got 88 and 99% in the engine oil, and the hydraulics 92 and 96, which is good for the flight. Now I'm gonna select the IRS to now, and here on the FMC I'm gonna select the position. So on the ident page we got the model 737-800 winglets, engine rate is a 26k and IRAC is an 1810. I've keep it like this. I haven't downloaded the latest IRAC since I'm moving from FS to P3D, which is P3D is more like performance is more good than FX. On the position page, like I'm gonna use the last position because the reference for the gate is not the same as the last position. This is due to installing the sceneries. Sometimes when you install scenery, it doesn't properly install. It doesn't, like, how can I put it, in the FX it doesn't fit properly. So I will show you the reference, which is not the same as the last position. As you can see here, it's not the same. I'll use the last position since this is where the plane have loaded. That's why I use it. Okay, so now I'm gonna call up the catering service, also the cleaner, and I'm gonna request for the, not request but connect the external air. So you can see that the pressure is rising up. Alright. Here comes the catering service, ready to provide foods for the flights. Alright, now so back to the cockpit. I'm gonna flight plan my routes with the PFPX. I'm loading the professional flight planner for it to look for routes for me. So there it goes. So on the PFPX on flight page, like Mike Kilo Juliet Papa to Mike Hotel Tango Golf, taking off from runway 30, landing on 02, final routes for our space. So there you go. This is the C departure with the routes and star arrival. I'm gonna move the PFPX and start setting up the routes on the FMC. Route page, origin is Mike Kilo Juliet Papa, then Mike Hotel Tango Golf. Flight number is 321 and first waypoint is BOSOM. Next is an air route, is on airways, sorry. Uniform Bravo 520. Then I've got another airways Uniform Lima 349. The airways here is cross-check at this waypoint. Next airways is Uniform Zulu 512, and the airways here is cross-check at this waypoint. And the last airway is gonna cross-check to this waypoint here, which is the first waypoint on the seed departure. So activate, execute, check on the map, on the nav data, make sure that we get a good routes, no bad waypoint or discontinuities. Also, you can see the flight still takes us to the west, then go to the south. I'm gonna do a little shortcut here by removing this waypoint here. And also in the flight, when we are getting close to the airport, I'm gonna do another shortcut. So now the routes is good. We're gonna check the what I'm doing. I'm gonna check the chart. Okay, so on the chart here you can see it's the DUDIL4. I'm sorry, it's Kingston, Jamaica, like MKGP. The seat departure we are using GUDIL3, and the runway is 30. After taking off on runway 30, like first waypoint is DUDIL with the altitude restriction of 2,800 at or above. Sorry. Then we're gonna head to a heading of 265 degrees, then intercept on a heading of 272 degrees from MLY viewer to BOSOM waypoints. Okay, we got the transition altitude of 17,000 feet and max speed 250 knots at or below 10,000 feet. So that's it for the information on the chart.